Uganda, my motherland of wonders, the beauty, the forests, lakes and mountains. It is the pearl of Africa. Wow! It is the pearl of Africa.
Thank you so much. Another big hand clap for them.
Our parents and all wishers who are here, you are all welcome. Thank you for your honoring our invitation, because we always call you and you always respond in big numbers like this one. I'd like to first of all thank the teachers, especially the MDD department. bannange bazadde muyinza olowooza nti bino ebintu byangu naye training ekyali to this level si kyangu. That's why bannaffe abaasoma bagamba a good teacher teaches from the heart, not from the book. So that means bano abantu babikola nga babyagala. So mbadde mbasaba muneegatte okutubakubireho mu bugalo kubanga batukoledde omulimu mulungi.